for some long division practice. We're going to do this because we're going to be graphing rational functions of this form. And so a nicer way to do it is to use long division to rewrite it. So it'll be of the form y equals a over x minus h plus k. So then this is a little simpler, so that way we can look at it as graphing with transformations and then graphing the simple rational function of a over x. So let's practice doing some long division. So we did this back in chapter 4 of polynomials, and so this is just a reminder of how to do that. So we have 5x minus 1 over x minus 2, so we rewrite it like this. Then first we divide, and we divide the very first term. And so the number inside, that's the one that goes on top. So 5x over the x here. So the dividend is what's inside, the divisor is what's outside. Okay, so 5x over x. So then the x's cancel. We notice we're left with a 5. So 5 is going to go on top here. And so we're going to multiply the divisor by 5. So this is going to be 5, the divisor is this number here, times x minus 2. We need to make sure we distribute. So that becomes 5x is 5x here. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times negative 2 is a negative 10. The next step is to subtract. When you subtract, you're just changing the sign. So you change the sign to opposite. So now that's a negative, and so the very first term should cancel out. Then this is negative 1 plus 10, which is a positive 9. Now, as a reminder, that is our remainder, and that goes over the divisor. So this is what you write. The remainder 9 over x minus 2, and then plus the quotient of 5. So that goes here. The reason why we're writing it in that way as opposed to what we used to write is because we want to be able to graph it and we want it to look like this form, the a over x minus h plus k. So again, when we're looking at that, the reason why we do that is so we can use transformations to graph this. And so we notice here the x minus 2 means it shifted right 2 and up 5, and then we would only need to graph the 9 over x. But let's just continue with dividing. So try this example here, 6x plus 1 over 2x minus 4. So if you tried this out, you should have gotten 13 over 2x minus 4 plus 3.